Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. Today I'm going to drill you on an important skill that is hardly found over the internet, which is on how to have essential informations in order to track down your recently lost smartphone. If it's your first time watching my tutorial, I'll advise you to click on the subscribe button found just below this tutorial and turn on the notification bell, such a way that whenever I upload new tutorial, you will be the first to be informed. So click on the subscribe button. I'm watching you. Okay, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's dive straight away on how you can have essential informations on how you can track down your recently lost smartphone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. So for you to have the essential information for tracking down your recently lost smartphone is as follows. What you have to do is you click on the dial pad, star hash 06 hash, and automatically the information appears, the essential information appears, and we call that information IMEI, IMEI, which stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. It's a unique identification or serial number that all mobile phone or smartphones do have, and it is made up of 15 digits. So if you have to count these digits, you see that there are 15. So this my phone shows that it has two serial number because this phone has gotten two SIM slots. Okay, so this information is very vital for a smartphone or a mobile phone, because this is the information that we can use in order to track down this phone if this phone is missing. So for you to have this information, you need to type star hash 06 hash, and the information shows itself automatically. You can equally have this code, this information, on the back of the carton that you bought the smartphone in, or at times some phones do have the smartphones gummed behind the phone. So I'll be advising you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in our next tutorial we'll be showing you how we will be using this IMEI to track down our phone, especially when it is missing. So stay glued on our YouTube channel, help share, like, and keep your positive comments on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our tutorial.